Hey there, heat seekers and health enthusiasts. Welcome back to Benefits Bites. Today, we're dialing up the spice level and exploring the fiery world of cayenne pepper. Don't be intimidated by its scorching heat. Cayenne packs a punch when it comes to health benefits too, so grab your metaphorical fire extinguisher and let's dive into the surprising ways cayenne can turn up your well-being. Cayenne peppers have been a staple in cuisines around the world for centuries, with evidence of their use in South America dating back to 7,500 BC, according to Wikipedia. But beyond their historical significance as a flavor booster, cayenne peppers contain a unique compound called capsaicin, the reason behind that fiery kick, and the key to unlocking some surprising health benefits. Let's crank up the heat and see what sizzles. Benefit 1. The pain-relieving powerhouse. Feeling achy after a workout or struggling with joint pain? Cayenne pepper might be your fiery friend. Studies suggest that capsaicin can help reduce pain by depleting substance P, a chemical that sends pain signals to the brain according to a review published in the journal Pain Physician. While cayenne pepper isn't a magic cure for pain, it might offer temporary relief and reduce your reliance on pain medication. Always consult your doctor before using cayenne pepper for pain management. Benefit 2. The metabolic marvel. Feeling sluggish and trying to boost your metabolism? Cayenne pepper might be your fiery fat fighter. Capsaicin is thought to increase thermogenesis, the body's heat production process, which may lead to a slight increase in calorie burning, according to research published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition. The effects might be modest, but incorporating cayenne pepper into your diet could be a delicious way to support your weight management goals. Remember, a healthy diet and exercise are key, but a sprinkle of cayenne could add a spicy boost. Benefit 3. The circulation champion. Host. Feeling the chill or have poor circulation? Cayenne pepper might be your spicy circulatory stimulant. Capsaicin has vasodilatory properties, meaning it can help relax blood vessels and improve blood flow, according to a study published in the journal Life Sciences. Improved blood flow can benefit your overall cardiovascular health, but always consult your doctor before using cayenne pepper if you have any underlying heart conditions. How to enjoy them safely. Alright, so how can you incorporate this fiery friend into your diet? Here are a few tips. Spice up your dishes. Add a pinch of cayenne pepper to soups, stews, or stir-fries for a spicy kick. DIY hot sauce. Feeling adventurous? Make your own hot sauce with cayenne peppers. Cayenne supplements. Consult your doctor before using cayenne pepper supplements, as they can be potent. Remember, start slow when introducing cayenne pepper to your diet and never ingest it directly. Important disclaimer. Cayenne pepper can irritate the skin and eyes. Wear gloves when handling and avoid contact with your face. Cayenne pepper can also interact with certain medications, so consult your doctor before using it. So there you have it. Cayenne pepper, more than just a fiery spice. From potentially reducing pain to boosting your metabolism, cayenne pepper offers a surprising range of health benefits. But remember, a little goes a long way with this fiery friend. How do you like to add a spicy kick to your meals? Share your favorite cayenne pepper recipes in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more Benefits Bites. We'll be exploring the fascinating world of spices and their amazing benefits, so stay tuned.